Oh guys, sorry about the other video. Something happening. I don't have enough storage in my iPad, so like that's why the video ended very quickly. So yeah, if I get this video, oh, did y'all see that? Dang, that lightning went up. Whoop! Alright, so guys, so if I'm gonna upload both of these videos at the same time. So yeah, so I'm gonna like do something. If this one runs out of like stuff, I'm gonna delete more storage off my iPad, and then I'm also gonna make some more videos. Do you guys see this, guys? This lightning is so intense, bro. Like, this is bad right here. I shouldn't even be vlogging out here. It's like my first time ever vlogging, making the thunderstorm video. Oh, shoot. Did y'all see that? Oh, shoot. It's trying to get close. Oh, it's blurry. Guys, it's not blurry. Oh, it just went over the house. Did you see that flash? It's blurry, bro. What the heck? There is intense lightning over there. Oh my god, this is so blurry. God. Guys, I'm sorry for the blurriness. It's something just happening right now. So yeah, this lightning once again is intense. So yeah, it's like fireworks going up, but not like popping yet. Oh, did y'all see that? Woo! This is so bad right now. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna upload these 2 videos real quick, and then I'm gonna make a 3rd video. I don't know why I'm making so much videos. So yeah, peace out.